If you're looking to succeed in the UAE, here's the secret. The right network is essential, and the best place you can get this network is at this event, the Road to Success Seminar. Join me on the 28th of October 2023 as I explore 10 compelling reasons why you can't afford to miss this event or similar ones.
Don't let the future happen on you. Take charge. You have a responsibility right now to educate yourself. I think we're at a point in time where we're going to have the highest transfer of wealth of the past 500 years, and I hope that you participate in it. If everything you knew could give you everything you want, you would have it already. You're going to be uncomfortable. You have to be willing to be a perpetual student. But if you are, the future is very exciting. Very exciting.
Number one, first, you will gain exclusive insight from those who have thrived in the UAE at the seminar. You will meet individuals who have navigated the paths to success, here sharing their stories, tips, and strategies. This is going to be a gathering of amazing people that have actually succeeded. You can see it on the screen, and these people have established what works. So if you're at this event, you're going to meet people one-on-one. Definitely they will be speaking to you. There's going to be some breaks, and during those breaks you can meet these amazing people to get an insight one-on-one from their stories right there at the event. Number two, networking is very important wherever you find yourself. This event would provide exceptional networking opportunities. Rub shoulders with like-minded individuals, potential collaborators and mentors, those who can be potential investors, potential employers. So don't fail to attend this event, as you would miss the opportunity to fully network. Inspiration comes from people who are actually experienced and have actually succeeded. This seminar will feature top-notch speakers, like I said, who will inspire you. They face challenges, like I said, and embrace opportunities and achieve their dreams in this country. So why not you attend this event so you can also get inspired?
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Most people have a lot of ideas, but what about niching your knowledge? Getting to discuss with people who are really in the field of what you believe you want to achieve. Working or asking questions with the right kind of HR and employers that will actually help you. Each speaker at this seminar covers a specific niche, ensuring you leave with valuable knowledge tailored for your aspiration, be it in entrepreneurship, career advancement, or personal development. Do you know that cultures differ? And as a person who is attending this event, you will be shocked that you will meet multicultural people from diverse continents and countries. You can deep dive into understanding the cultural nuances and essentials of thriving in a multicultural hub. Why not be there at this event? If possible, be in your cultural attire so you can celebrate yourself. There will be a lot of new opportunities. New opportunities I really mean. New opportunities await you at events like this. Not just only the road to success, but the ability for you to be there at such events. You might discover new business ideas, new career openings, or new partnerships that can propel you through your success. It is not just about attending the event, but it's about personal growth. How can this event affect you? Or because there are professionals who are actually going to be there, it's a journey of personal growth. You will learn more about yourself, your strengths, and your potentials. because some of the things that these professionals will be expressing, you have already covered and you already have ideas for. But because you haven't believed in yourself yet, this could actually help you to potentially grow yourself. But man, I cannot make this video without talking about resources. This is an opportunity for you to access resources. At this seminar, you will access valuable resources. You will discover that there are people there who will be helping you with crucial matters, like reviewing your CV, helping you to pitch out your ideas, discover organizations, discover tools and resources that can support your journey to success. Why not take advantage of this? Please guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel and you don't know my name is Harry Tigansa Jingina. My channel is Experienced Africans. On my channel, I try to share, inspire, educate and entertain people, most especially in the diaspora and back home in Africa. This journey, it's not complete without me achieving the main goal of creating this channel. So for you to help me succeed on this journey, you can like the video, share the video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so we can reach more amazing people. At this event, some of the speakers will be offering unique perspective on success in Dubai or in UAE. They will challenge your thinking and inspire you to take different approach. You might be thinking this is the way for you to succeed, but connecting with the right minds and the right people can actually help you to succeed in your decisions. Lastly, we're going to be talking about the number 10 thing, which is ripple effects. The ripple effect of you attending this event could vary. Because you attended this event, you will be able to give a word of mouth to another person to give your idea, and you would be able to share ideas with others, and in that process there would be a lot of changes that will be impacted by the outcome of the event, both to you and to other attendees and even to the speakers, because you might ask questions that actually could solve their own problems also. It's a collaborative journey, it's a collaborative effort. As the African community here in UAE and as people who are striving to succeed, we need to collaborate with each other and network properly for us to achieve our desired goals. In conclusion, the Road to Success Seminar is more than just an event. It's an opportunity for you to unlock your potentials, connect with the right people, and set yourself on the path to success in Dubai and in the UAE in general. Whatever you are, as an entrepreneur, a professional, or someone seeking personal growth, this event is designed for you. Secure your spot today by registering to the Road to Success Seminar on the 28th of October 2023. Link will be in the description and also in the comment section. Don't miss this chance to transform your life and be a change maker for others. Join and let's unveil the road to thriving in Dubai together. Stay tuned for more insights, inspirations, and stories of success. If you've watched this video up this far and you have subscribed to the channel, thank you. And if you feel this video is going to be useful to someone who didn't watch from the beginning or who doesn't know this channel, make sure you share it to reach out to more people. Thank you, Maiwa Adegoke, for bringing us all together to support and enlighten each other about how to succeed in this country. And I wish you all the best. Until next time, keep chasing your dreams. I remain Harry Tigansa Jingina for Experienced Africans. Till I see you guys on another video, thank you and God bless you. Goodbye.
Kanske var det meningen att jag skulle fastna här.